You talked about the war crimes and other things. Particularly, you mentioned Iraq war with Saddam Hussein. Iraq war. I was working in a defense department, and I had trained these Iraqi soldiers of a target positioning.
Oh, I think you should complete with that karma. You should pen down and drop in Ganga and ask her to complete. And never ever get involved in any of these war things. War is not sacred. There is no nationalism. It is stupidity. Nations are not accepted in the cosmos. It is just man-made. And whether you fight for any country or get killed for any country, it is only karma. Nation has no sacredness. Constitution has no respect in the cosmos. Truth is the truth is the truth. And can't be compromised. See, I am not against Indian constitution or Indian country. As long as I am in this country, naturally I am going to follow this law. That's the land, law of the land has to be followed. But that doesn't mean it will become sacred. It can't become sacred. It's not cosmic law. Let's be very clear.
I have a question, stateside. Two questions. In terms of non-veg, I became total vegetarian after the Haridwar IA last year. The only person in our house who is not vegetarian is my dad. And I feel the obligation to give him
I think you should
non-veg
talk
every
to
day.
him seriously and make him understand. What's his age?
He's 86.
Too late. Come on, tell him. Don't be fool. Tell him. Tell him that I am your son. I am intelligent. I think good for you. I do good for you. Please understand. Make him
Okay.
understand.
What happens is that
If
he
you are
does-
obligated and you are giving, the karma has to come to you.
Yeah.
Nothing can be done.
Yeah,
Any way you are involved in the chain,
yeah,
animal getting killed and the person eating, in that whole chain, any involvement is
yes,
karma.
yes.
Even if you are bringing it from the shop and giving it to him,
Right.
is karma. Don't do.
One more question. The job I have right now is in security, like airport security, etc., etc. So is
That's
that-
perfect. Nothing
that's
wrong.
okay. Okay.
That's nothing wrong.
Okay.
Nityananda Swamiji,
Yes.
stage side.
Even for the sake of your family members, don't inherit the karma of this, because they will not be able to save you when you have this karma. You have to face all alone. Tell them now itself. Come on, my commitment with you is to make you happy as long as we are living together. But just for this, I cannot accumulate, which I have to suffer all alone when you are not there. And these fellows are not going to come there. Even if they are there, they will just walk out of you. They can't do anything. Be very clear about the lifestyle. Do not mess up with it for anybody's sake. And after all, what this father, mother, son, wife, husband, all part-time relationships, part-time contract and understandings, that cannot make you take up the karma and all. You see, take the responsibility of bank balance and feeding and giving car and giving attention, love, a house, all that is okay. But don't take the responsibility of karma. Tell them very clearly. I am not interested in that.
And Swamiji, from Stateside, how about you are going in a restaurant and then some of your guests are eating the non-veg? And
If
you
they
pay
eat,
for
you
it.
don't pay for it.
No.
You tell them very clearly, I am not going to pay for it, it's karma.
Okay.
All vegetarian items I will pay, so that they understand what they are doing.
Swamiji.
See, in all these things, be very clear and straightforward. In all these things, be very clear and straightforward. When you tell, don't tell, no, I'll pay for this, you pay for this. Don't tell that. Tell very clearly, I'll pay for this, you pay for that. Get destroyed. What he ate, it should come out immediately. Be responsible for people on planet Earth. so much of meat and so much of, don't you guys understand? So much of suffering muscle memory gets into human beings and
Swamiji, JD side.
Mm.
So I'm vegetarian, but my kids are when they're at my house, but with my ex, they're not. So am I in that cycle of...
I think slowly inspire the kids, tell them, don't, and you tell them, when you eat vegetarian, see your mind, how you feel.
Mhm.
When you take non-veg, see that night how you feel, next day how you feel. Ask them.
How do I do that to an 18-month-year-old?
Oh, how many?
1.5.
1.5 years. I think that is too early to wait for him to grow little and then start educating him.
Okay. All right. Can I get your
It's a big
blessings
problem.
to get support to even...
My blessings. I'll do something.
Get my ex to
Mm.
think about it?
Swamiji on the stage side.
Mm.
Swamiji, I heard also you telling about leather products, not to be, not being.
I strongly recommend anything related to violence, please avoid. Violence. That is not actually skin. All of you know that it's not tiger skin. It's cloth printed. Traditionally, Mahadeva used it, so I am using. But I am not using the skin, I am just using the printed. Go ahead.
Deity side.
Mm.
Where I'm from, if you sell your home, you're required by law to tent your house to exterminate. If it's the law, what can you do?
You can't just tell the buyer you do it.
I-
Nothing can be done. I don't have the solution for it because other than protecting you, any murder is recorded. Think you will get some solution.
Swamiji, Mahadeva's kitchen side.
Yes.
Can you elaborate on the ice cream example a little bit? So there's 3 cases. So one is when you're
What is the ice cream?
so when at liberation,
Mm.
you can either be part of the ice cream or you can be besides the ice cream. And the third, what's the third one? So when,
What?
oh sorry, it was in the video.
So in the video I explained.
Yes.
Can you tell the example exactly? I'll explain. What context I used?
Okay, so when you're liberated, you have the, so either,
You see, Salokya Mukti, Samibhya Mukti. Did I explain that?
yes,
Salokya Mukti means the people who are my ashramites, they all already have the Salokya Mukti. They live in my loka.
right.
Samibhya Mukti, even in that group, there is one small group, this group and all, which is all the time in my breathing space. Samibhya Mukti. And Sarupya Mukti is just doing my very responsibility. People who take classes. Sayujya Mukti means people who have become one with me.
And just one other thing, so if you kill, you get negative karma. If you save a life, you get...
But that doesn't get equated. It's not. Negative has to be separately suffered, positive has to be separately enjoyed. No cancelling.
Swamiji, state
It is
side.
not 100 cents in the charity box and 10 Hail Mary. No. For one night sin. Then you can deposit for next 3 nights also and go. Next.
Swamiji, state side. Swamiji, state side.
Mahadeva's kitchen side. I have like old leather things from before.
Hmm?
I have like a leather couch from like years ago that I bought. All of
I
these
think now you
things.
should not use it. You
So
should
just get rid of it, sell it. Okay.
give it away.
Okay.
Or destroy it. Not even charity, because the person who receives will be using it. Destroy it. That's best.
Swamiji, state side.
Hmm.
Have a sore throat, sorry for that. I'm not able to talk well. What you
It's
spoke
good
about...
for many people, so go ahead. Go ahead, please go ahead.
about this non-veg eating. Now that you have removed my ignorance, I'll follow that henceforth. But my servant, I used to give tips to my maid periodically, and she uses it for buying non-veg for her children. I can avoid it in the future, but for the past, what?
Put it in Ganga.
Okay. And that one?
That's
and,
only way what to do.
and many things we get light here. In the past, including the violence, including those abuses.
That's what, all that drop it in Ganga and
Ganga.
decide to live a new life.
Yes, sure.
That will bring completion.
Yes, and Swamiji, one request. I have the sore throat and developing some sort of light fever. I know this is a process.
I'll heal it, don't worry.
Yeah. Only thing is, request is next 10 days. I don't want even to miss even a 1 second of.
Don't worry, I'll heal it.
Thank you, Swamiji. Thank you so much.
Swamiji, Sarvangi.
From tomorrow, the program is taken to the next level. Shivoham process starts.
Sarvangi Pidam side.
Yes.
Swamiji, what about vegetarians who eat egg? Is it
Egg.
egg?
Egg is non-veg. There is no such thing as vegetarians.
No,
It is non-veg.
vegetarians, they say, this is the veg.
No, it is not veg.
Okay.
People ask me, when milk is veg, which comes from cow, why not egg, which comes from chicken?
Same.
If the cow sits on the milk, it is not become calf. It is not going to become calf.
Yes,
If a hen sits on the egg, it will become chicken. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And even if it is a poultry egg,
Okay.
the female component is there. Male component may not be there. Female component is there.
Okay.
So it's life.
Okay, Swami. Thank you.
Deity side.
All logic is cleared. No, people ask, when milk which comes from cow is veg, why not the egg which comes from hen? So if the cow sits on the milk, it will not become calf. If hen sits on the egg, it will become chicken. Time up. These
Swamiji,
guys
one
are
last
having a
question.
lot of fun.
Just last question. Swamiji, you had in the video, you said that we can either get enlightened or we can have another life. So, and then you gave one example that either we can become part of the ice cream or we can be. That I couldn't follow.
That is what now I explained. Salokya, Samipya, Sayujya, Sarubhya, Mukti. Different levels of Mukti.
I have one question that
Can
follows.
Can I ask the last question, Swamiji? Sorry, Swamiji, like you said, both are incompletions. My son is suffering like that. Could he be suffering because of the previous birth or something? Because
All the three put together. Both
because,
yours and his choice, all put together, only the suffering.
okay.
I have one question.
Quick.
It is quick. Is it just an incarnation who can liberate somebody, or are there different levels of enlightened masters who can liberate people?
Only
as well?
incarnation can give liberation.
Okay.
An enlightened being can initiate you, but can't liberate you. You also need to practice. With incarnation, he can straight liberate you without any need for any practice from your side.
Okay. I just need to get my parents to come here then.
That's it. I think today the answers were straight. That's why people are happy.
Yeah.
It was too straight, not compromised or goody, no, straight. Sometimes the spicy is good. Enjoy. So it's time. Let's get ready for the darbar. All right. Let's gather for next session. Thank you. Be blissful.